G'day trendsetters. Today I want to do a trial or a grudge match between ℏ𝕃𝔸𝕊𝔼 Lettuce Cos Romaine, they're both cos lettuce, and Mr. Fothergill's green cos. Because I went to Bunnings looking for baby cos seeds, but they didn't have any. So I saw these were my two options available, and the pictures are quite different. So I thought, which one? I thought, well, the only one way to find out, and that's to have a go and do a trial and find out which one, not probably which one is the best, but which one grows best in my climate and my soil and the way I prepare the soil and all that sort of stuff. Then, a little bit further down the track, once I've decided which one of these two I like, I'll order some baby cos, and I'll do a trial between baby cos and cos, just because. The premise is fairly simple. I've just got 6 pots filled with Searles Premium Platinum Premium potting mix, and I'll plant my seeds in here until I get to a bit of a size, and then I'll pop them out into a well prepared garden bed, and all things being equal, we should be able to tell which one grows better, maybe tastes better, quicker, slower, bolts to seed, whatever happens will happen, but we'll go along for the journey and find out in due course. All I need to do is sow these seeds and then pop them in a little sunny spot. It gets a fair bit of shade in the afternoon, but morning sun, which is good. But just a little bit about the lettuce. This is a green cos by Mr. Fothergill's. It says crisp, tall leaves and firm hearts, excellent heat tolerance, excellent flavour, great in tubs and pots. So if you've got a little balcony garden, this might be something handy for you to try as well, or a small backyard and you only got little spots here and there. So there's that one. That's why I wanted the mini cos or the baby cos, because I wanted to grow it in pots. But things have changed. Okay, lettuce, Cos Romaine. Romaine lettuce was named after Rome, where it spread to the west. It is the lettuce used in Caesar salads and popular in Greek and Middle Eastern cuisine. Its thick ribs contain a milky fluid, giving it the typically fine, bitter herb taste. Excellent heat tolerance, which is what we want. Salads, sandwiches and sauté. Can sow it all year round, 3 mils deep, same with this one. And thin plants, blah, blah, blah. Follow the directions. Oh, this one. Oh, the World Kitchen usually does. If you get World Kitchen seeds, they'll give you a a recipe for your lettuce. For crunchy Greek, holy dooly, how am I going to say that? ℏ𝕃𝔸𝕊𝔼. Either way, you can get your own packets of seeds and find out. I might copy and paste it and put it in the descriptions. Either way. All right, down to business. So I've labelled these. Green cos is number 1 and Cos Romaine is number 2. Keep it simple. And I'll put 2 seeds in each one and thin the weakest one out. So there's one, yeah, that's the easiest way to do it. So I just need a little divot in the top. Pop in 2 seeds. Now, just one other thing I want to mention. I'm using the premium grade potting mix here instead of seed raising mix, basically because if you are going to plant these seeds directly into the soil, your soil will be already be prepared and be rich and full of nutrients and everything that the plant's required. So I don't see why, especially being such a little seed, I would just use a seed raising mix which is usually fairly devoid of nutrient. And that's just the main thinking between using potting mix and seed raising mix. Oh, I think 3 fell in there, but that won't matter. All right, I'll whiz through these. That's the cos done. could have opened these packets before the video, couldn't I? I really don't. If anybody from the seed company is watching, I really don't like the way I can't get into the packet without tearing the description of the seed off. There's got to be a better way, guys, because I like to be, every time I pick the packet up, it's just something I do. I just like to read what I'm doing, but if I tear it off, it's gone. And as far as I can tell, that's the only way into the... I have done it upside down, but then you pick your packet up and the seeds... So, no. Find a better way, guys. Anybody else got that problem, or is it just me? All right, I'll just move these to one side. When I water these, when I take them up to the spot where I want to put them, I just tipped about 400 seeds out there. I'll water them with the seaweed extract, ℎ𝕃𝕼, ℎ𝕃𝕼 Gold I'm using at the moment. Just because. Once you start saying because and cos, you say it all the time. I'm going to have to clean that up. I dropped about 5 seeds in there. Put my little divot in. If I only pick 2 up, I can only put 2 in, can't I? There you go. That works a treat. There you go. Job done. Now I really don't want to let that soil surface dry out, so I'll water in the morning. I might cover them. I've got these clear pots here, so I might sit them over the top as a little greenhousey effect, and also to stop the wind from running across the top and drying that soil out just while I'm at work, because it can get hot. We can get hot and dry winds here, and dries out the surface of the soil, and your seeds don't germinate. So there's that. Right. I think that's it for now. Let's see how we go. What do you reckon? Anyone got a favourite? I'm rooting for Royal Kitchen Lettuce Cos Romaine, because it sounds a little bit more original and romantic. No other reason. Alright, that's it. Cheers, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Helps my YouTube world go round, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. What do you think of this idea? I like it. I'm too short, so I have to go down and buy 2 more. They're only about 85 cents each, from memory. Maybe a tad more, not real sure. Bunnings.